Caitlin loves to do this with her baby brother. Caitlin. Be careful. You gonna give him kisses? Oh, she's sharing her toys. Where are you going, Caitlin? Hey, Caitlin, what are you watching on TV? Tell Mommy, look at Mommy. What are you watching? What are you watching? Who is that, Cinderella? Say Cinderella. You silly girl. Oh, this is her other favorite thing to do. She likes to give the puppies to baby Brady. And she stacks them up all around him. And then he looks at them scarily as if they're going to attack him. And then sometimes she tries to get him to pet them. Baby Brady. What do you think? Oh, that's so nice, Caitlin. Not in his face. Can you give him a kiss? Can you give him a kiss? No? Oh, he's touching your hair. Did he touch your hair? What?